Having a strong U.S. defense industrial base in areas like communications and sensors is key to operations in complex battle space. Thales Defense and Security has produced these systems in the U.S. for years, and others like the TOW missile Smart Nose. We're here at Thales's Clarksburg, Maryland operations to visit some of their production lines and talk about their work with Jeff Detwiler. So Jeff, tell us why it's important that Thales manufactures critical defense technologies here in the U.S. and why that's important for national security.
Yeah, so when people think about the defense industrial base, they typically think about larger systems, aircraft systems, vehicular systems, et cetera. But just as important are the systems we manufacture here at Thales. Critical communication systems, sensor missile systems, those sort of items. We have over a 60-year history of manufacturing complex, sophisticated electronics for the military here at this facility. We're really proud of that. It's important, though, that we see continuous orders from the government so we can continue to invest and innovate in our products. Just recently, we have invested in our radio product line to add a secure waveform for a Special Forces customer. We have invested in the ability to add additional battery manufacturing capability and small, really compact batteries for the military. In addition, we have also put forward several options to the U.S. Navy for anti-mine and anti-submarine missions.
We're standing in front of one of those production facilities that you have for some of those smaller components. This one is a circuit board facility, and I understand that this sort of circuit board facility is fairly rare in the U.S. Tell us about that.
Yeah, it is. Recently we have invested over $4 million to add capability to our circuit board manufacturing facility. We've added a second production line, which adds capacity and capability to deliver additional capability to the U.S. military. We've got a culture here and a kind of a business model where we've got the ability to have engineers and quality assurance staff right co-located with the assembly and test technicians to ensure that we are delivering not only quality products, we're delivering it rapidly, we can innovate and we can add capability to the product in a really, really rapid fashion. We are one of the largest circuit card manufacturers in the state of Maryland. We're really proud of that.
So Jeff, we moved to your TOW missile Smart Nose production line, and you're holding the Smart Nose right there. It's a pretty sophisticated piece of electronics. Tell us about the importance of the system and the importance of building it here in the U.S.
Absolutely. So, we specialize in building complex military electronics here at this facility. So when this opportunity arose, it really was a natural fit for us. The TOW's been deployed for 25 plus years, but it's not the same missile system, not the same weapon system that was used those years ago. The TOW that's now being produced at this facility is a modern wireless detection device that allows targeting of various targets, various anti-tank targets. We build this here. It involves circuit card manufacture. It involves assembly into the overall Smart Nose cone. We harden it via really state-of-the-art advanced resin process, and then obviously it goes through state-of-the-art quality assurance and testing.
Thales is obviously also well known for its radios and its helmet-mounted displays. Let's talk a little bit about the helmet-mounted displays and why that particular made in America product is important.
So yeah, as you mentioned, Thales specializes in helmet-mount displays. We have a line of products called Scorpion, which is a monocular system that goes over a pilot's eye, provides situational awareness for the pilot in a heads-up manner, meaning he doesn't need to look down at all to get that situational awareness displayed right in his eye. We produce those right here in our facility in Clarksburg, Maryland, and we have a highly trained, really expert staff. It is really complex stuff. We're talking about optics, minimal latency required. So we really have a very sophisticated setup, very sophisticated staff producing those here.
You mentioned your highly trained staff. As we've been walking around today looking at your various production lines, I've seen a diversity of skills. Tell us about the importance of that to the development of defense products and also its value to the U.S. defense industrial base.
Yeah, we have over 250 really dedicated employees working in our production facility. They're highly trained, highly experts in what they do, really state of the art. We really encourage them to do continuous improvement, continuous learning, so that they keep their skills the best they can be. In addition to that, we really encourage a collaborative environment here. We've got program managers, we've got engineers, we've got obviously assembly and test technicians, quality assurance staff, all working collaboratively so we can deliver our products as quickly as possible and efficiently as possible to the Department of Defense.
Thank you, Jeff. Appreciate your insights, and thank you for showing us around your Thales Clarksburg facility
Great,
today.
thank you.